Hello guys, welcome back to Let's Sit and Talk. So basically today we are going to talk about Big Zulu. Big Zulu responded to everyone that said Ricky on Imali Eningi was whack. He said that those people, they are crazy. Even Mac J. Please make sure that while you're watching the intro you subscribe because it's going to help this channel to grow. So Big Zulu was on Mac J's podcast and Mac J told him about what people were saying about Ricky. I even saw the post on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. People were like making fun of Ricky. So this is what Big Zulu said.
It makes the song because for me it's the hook. Because your verse is not needed. I don't even know what you're saying.
Nah, people say Rick's verse isn't needed. Angitan lendo iso man. Whoever to Ricky uyaphethe ngomeni sangene uyagula ngekhanda
usha abantu ayithina abantu
ya ubatsheleke labo bantu bakhe abasho ukuthi basangene nawe futhi mawuthi
because mina ngiyazi chorus
yenziwa ihook now usangene
ngiyazi chorus phela. I still don't know what you're saying in your verse. Big Zulu nenkani, that's all I know.
Phela we understand mabe wenza ingoma kuba ne concept eniya ngalo, we understand. Mina ngeke ngize ngoba uyini umvenda
ngimvenda
we understand labo mavenda lawa rapper ngesivenda we understand ngoba angisazi isivenda we understand kodwa mina ngaso sonke isikhathi mangabe ngenza ingoma isiZulu engisunderstand kangcono we understand isilungu ngiyakhona ukusizwa la engikhona khona kokunye ngiphinde ngingezwa uyabo isuthu ngiyezwa la ngizwa khona kokunye ngiphinde ngingezwa uyayibo yonke lonto leyo so ngicabanga ukuthi ekwenzeni ingoma ukufaka uDubai kule ngoma leya nokulanda uRicky kwenza ingoma yonke yamnandi angeke ngize ngisho ukuthi ubani wenza ingoma ubani wenzeni if wena ucabanga ukuthi ingoma yenziwa ubani okwakho lokho if wena ucawuthi yenziwa ubani okwakho lokho mina ngenza ingoma nenkabination abantu abayi-understandayo whoever ongakuzwa lokho akafuseke.
Hi guys, that's it. You should comment down below what you think about Ricky's verse. Is it fire or is it trash? For me, like, it's dope, my guy. It's dope. I can sing 10 times more. Thank you for watching. That's your boy signing out. You all have a blessed day. Peace.